settled in very fast. I think people were generally very friendly in general, you know, helpful, and I got a decent place to stay, and I got a brilliant landlord and all that. So you know, so that kind of gave me a good impression of the place when I initially came in. I think language was my biggest barrier. And I think, and I've learned here over time that if you speak the language here, I mean, you have a huge plus, you know, you have a huge plus. So yeah, I mean, so to summarize, my first impression was okay. In terms of my personal life, I found it a little frustrating because finding a house and, you know, generally coordinating and getting settled.
So you have to find a house for yourself?
Yeah,
or
my company helped me.
Okay.
They had a few houses in place. But then eventually I didn't like those houses. So then I went and somebody told me just go to some street and start walking into condominiums, you know. And I started doing that. I eventually found the house of my choice, but it was a pretty tedious task. So yeah, the first impression was good in terms of personal life, chilling out, and you know all that. But in terms of settling in, I had a tough time settling in the first 2 months here. Yeah, and the biggest reason would be probably language.
I see.
Yeah.
So have you been through any culture shock, and how did you adjust yourself? You know.
If you're talking about work,
Yeah.
okay, work specific, yes, in the sense, the first 6 months, not first 3-4 months was a little hard because you know we as probably people from the subcontinent are a little aggressive in their working style, you know. So you know they're like tasks, work needs to be done. But I realized with working with the Thai people here, you gotta be a little easy, you know. You can't be pushy. You can't really ask them to multitask a lot, you know. You can't ask them to multitask too much.
Is it annoying sometimes?
Initially, yes, I
When
did.
you want to like work, but
Yeah.
Thai want to be easy?
Yeah, I got a little frustrated initially, but now you have to adapt to that, you know, and you can't. I mean, if you keep doing your way, I mean, it doesn't work like that here. So you got to do it, and then things fall in place. And I had my frustrating moments, but then eventually over time, I've become kind of patient now, and I think I myself have become a little laid back, I guess, you know. But yeah, but no, yes, I won't deny I wasn't frustrated at times. But I'm okay now. I mean, I've adapted, I've learned over time. Patience was the key, I think,
Patience was the
initially.
key.
Yeah.